Are you there and you want to start poultry, but you are waiting for when your bank account will be filled up before you start? This video is for you. Are you thinking of when do I start? How do I start? Where do I get the land? This particular video is for you also. This video is titled How to Start with 50 Chickens, a step-by-step guide to profit. Stop procrastinating today and start immediately. This is the video. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. And make sure you watch to the end for you to get the best. Because I'm going to guide you on how you start. You don't need the whole world before you start. Stop procrastinating. Little amount of money can go somewhere. And from there, you start building up. I started with few chickens. When I started, I had only few chickens. In less than 1 year, I grew up. And from there, I started growing until I reach this level now. Now I hatch my own birds, I have my own incubator, I hatch my own birds, I produce my own feed, I have the feed mill also, and I produce for others. So you start from somewhere. Don't just start thinking, when will I start, when will I start? If you continue thinking of when will I start, you will grow gray hair and you will not yet start. You start thinking of when will I start. Start now with little. Follow these steps I'm going to give you in this particular video. That's the only way you can get the best. Watch till the end. Let's get there. How to start with 50 chickens. Step-by-step guide. 1. The truth is that you can start small with just 50 chickens and still make a very good profit if you follow these right steps I'm going to give you. In this step, I will show you how to set up your small farm, what type of chicken to buy, how to feed and care for them, how to make money from your chickens. This video. Starting a poultry farm with just 50 chickens is a great way to enter the poultry business with low investment and high profit potential. Many people want to start but keep delaying because they think they need a lot of money or a big farm. The truth is, you can start small and grow big. In this step-by-step video guide, I will show you everything you need to know and to be successful in raising 50 chickens or more and make huge profit. So watch the video to the end. The first step is to decide what type of chicken do you want to raise. There are two main options. Broilers. These chickens are raised for meat. They grow very fast, ready for sale within 6 to 8 weeks. The next one is layers. These chickens are raised for eggs. They start laying eggs at around 5 to 6 months and they lay up to 300 eggs per year. Another one is broiler, depending on your location. Broiler is a mixed breed. It's a cross breed that can grow to table size within 6 months or so, between 4 to 6 months. For quick profit, broilers are the best choice. Just buy 50 healthy broiler chicks from a trusted hatchery, or you buy from brood and sell dealers. It is better you buy from brood and sell dealers because as a fresher, you may not know how to brood very well so that you will not lose to mortality. So you buy brooded ones at 2 weeks. This will help you to gain and master the business. Your chickens need a clean, safe and comfortable place to grow. You don't need an expensive house. You can just use a cage. Just use a cage. Battery cage. Bring in a carpenter, let them use wood and nail and gather some. Make a very good cage for you as you see on this video. The cage is good. You can start from that cage system. You do not need an expensive house, but it must have enough space. Each chicken needs about 1 square foot of space. Good ventilation, fresh air keeps chicken healthy. Protection from predators. Use chicken wire to keep out snake, rats and other animals, even thieves. Dry beddings if you are using, maybe you are using your empty room in your house. Use wood shavings, rice husk or straws to keep the floor dry. Then make use of that simple housing setup. You can build a small house using wood or bamboo or even blocks within your backyard. That space in your backyard there, you can convert it to a poultry house. Keep the area clean and dry all the time. Build or set up a small well-ventilated chicken house. No matter how small it is, can take up to 50 birds. Don't go beyond 50 birds at a starter. After housing and protection, the next thing is feeding your chickens for fast growth. Your chicken must eat well to grow fast and stay healthy. Use this feeding guide. As you are using brooded bird at 2 weeks, between that 2 weeks to 4 weeks, give them starter feed. At least 1 bag of 25 kg starter feed per week. Then between 5 to 8 weeks, give them grower and finisher feed. 2 bags of 25 kg per week is good for them. For additional feeding tips, use clean water all the time. Chickens need a lot of water, most especially during the hot period. Feed them at the right time, morning, afternoon, and evening. Please don't feed them when the weather is too hot. Avoid food wastage. Use proper feeders to prevent spillage. Buy the right feed and ensure your chickens always have fresh water during every feeding. Healthy chickens grow faster and give better profit. Keep your chickens healthy by vaccinating them all the time. Even if you have bought the brooded ones, you may not know whether they really vaccinated them or not. So when they enter your home pen, revaccinate them for Gumboro and Newcastle. Give them infectious brucella disease vaccine and Newcastle vaccine. This will help to keep them healthy from viral infections. Remember that viral infections are difficult to cure. Keep the house clean always. Remove dirty beddings regularly. Give natural boosters, aloe vera, garlic, bitter leaf, and Eco Bio Boost to help boost their immunity and strengthen their health. Separate sick chickens and dispark dead ones. Keep them far away. Bury them far away from the poultry house. Follow a proper vaccination schedule and keep the chickens healthy and very clean house always. When you have followed all these steps and guides I have given you in this particular video, and your chickens grow well, ready for market, selling your chicken for maximum profit is the next thing. Once your broilers reach 6 to 8 weeks, it is time to sell them. Where to sell your chickens is another thing. Please, before they reach the market size, locate your market places. Local markets. Many people buy live chickens from market. Restaurants and hotels, they need fresh chicken daily. Online, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, many buyers look for farm fresh chickens online always. So market your product on these platforms. How much profit can you make from 50 broilers? If you sell at 6,000 naira per broiler and you have 50 chickens, you can make about 300,000 naira. After feeding and expenses, you can earn 100 to 150 naira profit in 8 weeks. Start looking for buyers before your chickens are ready for sale, so that you will not continue feeding them when they have matured. This will consume your profit. The next thing now is, how do you grow your poultry business? Once you sell all your first batch of chicken, you can use the profit to expand. Start expanding gradually. How to grow your business? Reinvest that your profit. Buy more chickens. Since you started with 50, buy more than 50 this time around for the next cycle. Reduce cost. Use homemade organic supplements to improve health. Offer processed chickens. Sell clean and packaged chickens for more profit. Plan for your next batch and expand gradually. Now that you have a step-by-step guide from this video, it is time to make action. Take action now and move forward. You don't need a big farm or millions of naira to start. Just start small. Follow the right steps I'm giving you and you will make money. The best time to start is now. Don't wait. Start with 50 chickens today and grow tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, share it with others who want to start poultry farming but are still procrastinating. Choose the right chicken breed: broilers, noilers, or layers. But for meat, I advise you to go for broilers so that you sell in quick period of time. Broilers for quick profit. Set up a simple chicken house. Feed them the right way for fast growth. Keep them healthy to avoid losses. Sell them at the right time for maximum profit. Reinvest and grow your business. Follow all these steps and you will succeed in poultry farming. If this particular video blesses you, like, comment and share the video to reach more farmers. Hello, if this video blesses your business, why not give it a thumb up? Share the video to reach more farmers who need the same knowledge. Some are also procrastinating today that they want to start, and they are looking for when the money will be heavy in the account before they can start. Share the video to reach them. Please drop comment. Tell me your view about this particular video on the comment section. I would like to share my view with you also. And the next video is loading, where I will give you experiences of how I started, when I started, how it was for me. I believe you will get motivated from my stories. Watch this video. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Bye for now.